As times goes by, your data might change and grow with newly added rows and columns. The pivot cache that feeds your data field report is disconnected from your original data source. So, pivot cache cannot represent any of the changes you make to your original data source until you update the pivot cache. Sometimes updating your pivot cache is referred as refreshing your data. There are two reasons you might have to refresh your pivot table report. Number one is changes have been made to your existing data source. And number two reason is your data source's range has been expanded with the addition of rows or columns. These two scenarios are handled in different ways that we will discuss now. In the screen, you are seeing two pivot table reports, and these pivot tables are created from these two data tables. This table shows the data of deposits in a bank. Here is the date of deposit. This column represents the weekday of deposits. This column amount of deposits. This is account type column. Some account types are IRA, CD, checking, and so on. This column is opened by column. New accounts, teller, these are two types of opened by column values. Then the branch where deposits have been made. Central, North County, West Side are some branch names. And then the customer type, existing or new customer. We have worked with this data table before in this course, so I think I don't need to introduce you with the data in this table. Now I want to add some new data to both of these tables. Before adding new data to this table, I want to show you the pivot table reports one more time. In this pivot table report, you are seeing the branch-wise total deposits, and the deposits are broken down into account types. Say the total deposits in the central branch is 3115925, and this amount is divided into four account types: CD, checking, IRA, and savings. The reason why I am showing you this pivot table again is memorize these numbers. Total deposit in central branch is 3115925. In North County branch is 2132215, and in the West Side branch is 1287632. In the pivot table report on the right side, total sales in Canada is 3813420.15. In Midwest is 7360429.20, and so on. Okay, now let's add some new data to our data sources. From new data worksheet, I copy these values and add them to our original data sources at the end of the list. New data is added to both the data sources, and I open the pivot table reports again. You see, these data have not changed. The total deposits in the central, North County, and West Side branches are the same, and total sales in Canada, Midwest are the same. So to update this pivot table report, what you have to do is refresh the connection between the pivot cache and the original data source. I open the Analyze Contextual ribbon. In the data group of commands, there are two drop-downs: refresh and change data source. I click on the drop-down part of refresh command. There are two options in the drop-down: refresh and refresh all. If you click on refresh, then only the current pivot table will be updated. Right now, the pivot table on the left side is selected, and I click on refresh. You see, the data is updated, but the data on the right side pivot table is not updated. Now I click on refresh all command from the drop down. Now you see both the pivot table is updated. Now one thing to remember here, my both data sources are in table formats. So when you add new rows or columns to those sources, they are updated automatically and make those newly added rows or columns as the part of the data sources. But what happens when you create a pivot table from a range of data? Okay, using the data in the data to worksheet, I make a new pivot table. Then I add some new data to the data source. Now I update the pivot table. You see, nothing happens in the pivot table. Pivot table is not updated because this pivot table is still using the old data source. In this case, what you will do is redefine the pivot table data source. I click on the command change data source. Change pivot table data source dialog box appears. I readjust the range and I click OK. Now you see the data table is updated automatically. Right click on a pivot table. You will also get the refresh command in the drop down here. Now there is another system. When you will open a workbook that has pivot tables, the pivot tables will be automatically updated. Right click again on a pivot table, select pivot table options command. Pivot table options dialog box appears. In the dialog box, open the data tab and select this option, refresh data when opening the file. So when you will open this workbook, this pivot table will be updated automatically. So this is a brief discussion on how you can update the data sources of Excel pivot tables.